marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 10:15 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a strong thunderstorm had developed, capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots, and large hail 23 nautical miles southwest of Winthrop Harbor, moving northeast at 40 knots. This severe thunderstorm will be near Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois around 8:40 p.m. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake around 8:50 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Sunday evening for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.